Today we're here to talk about our new advanced metering infrastructure, or AMI. We're creating a new meter network in which everything transmits wirelessly as opposed to having to drive by and collect the data in vehicles.
SJWD's mission is to provide a high-quality water at a reliable service at the most affordable price possible. And one of the ways we accomplish that is a continuous evaluation of emerging technologies. This implementation is part of our 5-year strategic plan. We intended to install in 2019 and over the next 4 years complete the entire installation. There will be a rollout for a customer-facing side where the customer will actually be able to see their usage daily, and they can help control that, so they can set a budget for themselves if they're conservation minded.
The data is actually transmitted either on a daily basis or in real time, and we can just look at customer data that way. The benefits of such information include being able to make smarter decisions regarding service and usage, the ability to detect leaks sooner, greater problem-solving capabilities, and improved customer engagement and service.
They can set targets to help determine leaks. So if they know they're at bed at night, there should be no water usage, and they wake up the next day, the meter's read water usage, it'll alert them. It can send emails or text messages.
First thing that will usually happen is we'll have someone come to the site. We will knock on the door to see if anybody's home or using water at the time. We don't want to disrupt during actual water use if we can help it. After we get acknowledgement that either someone is home and they're not using the water or there's no one home, we'll go ahead and we'll turn the spigot on the outside to verify the flow. Then we'll go to the meter site on the property. We will disconnect the service, terminate the service temporarily, put in the new meter, and then we will make sure service is restored at the spigot and turn it back on.
SJWD is very proud to be part of this community, and we feel like this initiative is a great stride in helping not only our existing customers, but our future customers as well.